Hello everyone. Hope you like my Hehe. I'm a new ranter. You can refer to me as Wooly. I'm going to try uploading every day. It's almost summer break. For us anyway. If you're wondering what character I'm using, this pink bunny is Bon Ribbon. I'd appreciate it so much if you supported me. Hope you're doing well. And Wooly out.